Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to use AC Pro to recharge your vehicle's air conditioner. Today, I'll be recharging the AC system on this 2012 Honda CR-V, but you'll find the most vehicles to be similar. As always, know the manufacturer's specifications for your vehicle. If you're not completely comfortable charging your own AC, we would be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Start by locating the compressor. The AC compressor is belt-driven. It will have a large clutch and pulley on the belt side, and two hoses or tubes coming out of the back. The larger of the two tubes is the low-pressure line. This line has a low-pressure port with a cap on it, which is where we'll be attaching the AC Pro hose. The port will be about the width of your thumb. Remove the plastic cap and put it somewhere safe. If you didn't turn on your vehicle earlier to locate the compressor, start your engine and crank your AC up to max cool with the fan on high. Twist the plastic safety disc off of the AC Pro can, and it can be discarded. Attach the gauge assembly to the can by firmly twisting it on. Do not remove it from the can until it's completely empty. Shake the can well before using it. Push the quick connect fitting at the end of the recharge hose down onto the low pressure port. The quick connect fitting will only fit on the correct port. You will hear it click into place. Tug on it gently to make sure that it's seated properly. Now you'll use the gauge to read the system pressure. Read the pressure indicated by the gauge needle only when the AC compressor is running. You'll know it's running when the clutch in the center is spinning. It's normal for the compressor to be turning on and off. The reading on the gauge will probably be in the red when the compressor isn't running. If your compressor isn't coming on at all, even with your air conditioner cranked up, it could mean your system is low on refrigerant. In that case, you'll want to add a few ounces of AC Pro. If you add AC Pro and your compressor still isn't coming on, you'll need to take your vehicle to a professional technician. So wait until the compressor is running and check the reading on the gauge. If the needle is in the red or high pressure section of the gauge when the compressor is on, do not add refrigerant. Your system needs to be serviced by a professional technician. If the needle is in the yellow section of the gauge, no additional refrigerant is needed, and you'll need to see a professional technician to help you diagnose why your vehicle's AC is not blowing cold. If the needle is in the white or low pressure area of the gauge, your system needs refrigerant. If that's the case, start by double checking that the hose is attached securely to the low pressure port. Hold the can vertically and squeeze the trigger to add refrigerant. While charging, shake the can up and down, alternating between holding the can vertically and horizontally every few seconds. Every 10 to 15 seconds, release the trigger and check the system pressure. Remember to wait until the compressor is cycling before checking the reading on the gauge. Continue this process of charging and checking pressure until the needle moves into the green area. Once it's there, you'll know your system is properly charged. It's important to not overcharge the system. More is not necessarily better when it comes to refrigerant. Too much will cause your system to blow warm air and can damage costly components. To disconnect the hose, pull up on the collar around the connector to release it from the port, and then replace the cap. If there's any AC Pro left in the can, leave the charging assembly attached and store it in a cool, dry place. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this job and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see all the latest, and we'll see you again soon.